everyone, I'm Lauren Palmer with University of Missouri Extension, Youth and Families Extension, and today we are going to make beet and cabbage slaw. Now you're probably thinking, what on earth am I going to eat beet and cabbage slaw with? But this is a perfect side accompaniment to like roasted pork, beef. You could totally have this with some roasted chicken. It's super versatile. This is a very simple recipe that actually comes from our Seasonal and Simple app that you can download for free on your Apple or Android phone as well. So it's also available online. But we're going to go ahead and get started because this comes together really quickly. Beets and cabbage are both in season in the spring, and a couple things about each of those. You want to, when you're selecting beets in the grocery store, you want to find beets that have the stem, the leaves, everything. And then we just took our knife, and because this is going to be raw, and then we just shave the outside of the beet, of the skin of the beet off, and you'll be surprised how sweet smaller round beets, red beets, are in the spring. So super you have 2 medium diced raw beets ready to go. We also have about 4 cups of fresh cabbage for our slaw, all ready, cut up, ready to go. So cabbage, when you're selecting cabbage, you want the outside to have a nice green color. On top of you want the ball, the head of the cabbage, to be nice and tight. You don't want cabbage that is soft in texture, like when you feel it, things like that. So you want it to have that nice crunchy texture. I'm gonna make a really basic salad dressing for our slaw. But before I do that, I'm gonna take our 4 cups of our cabbage and I'm gonna transfer it into a nice large bowl here. Okay, so it's ready to go. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna transfer our chopped beets, and I'm gonna put a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans in for our slaw as well. We're gonna get started with the really simple vinaigrette dressing that will go on top of our slaw. About 3 tablespoons of our cider vinegar in. Then I'm gonna put in about 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And yes, I am eyeballing it a little bit. If I were at home, this is exactly how I would do it as well. We're gonna take about a teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna be kind of generous with my teaspoon of honey. I love using local Missouri honey when I'm cooking. I love the flavor. About 5 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil. I like to use avocado oil because I like the fact that there's more omegas in your avocado oil than in olive oil. Salt and pepper to season to taste for your personal preference. So I like to use kosher salt when I'm seasoning. So I'm gonna do 2 nice pinches of kosher salt in here. And then I like using fresh ground pepper as well. So we're gonna do a few turns of our fresh ground pepper. And then we're gonna take our handy dandy whisk and we're gonna emulsify all this good stuff. Now, if you are cooking with kids at home and you have an extra jar, you could put this in a mason jar and stir it and have your kids shake it to make the dressing for the slaw. And we are going to drizzle our dressing over the slaw. I'm going to take some tongs and just lightly toss all of this together. It's a recipe if you're not going to try it. So take and put a nice little pinch to make sure we have everything on top. You gotta taste it. So I like to build the perfect bite. So I've got a little bit of the cabbage. I've got it all right here. The honey and the dressing brings out the sweetness in the raw beets. The cabbage is like this perfect vessel for this really easy dressing. Really top this on like some fish tacos, something completely different, unexpected. But like I said, a super easy, fast recipe for your family to enjoy. So if you like this recipe or any other recipes that you might see online from University of Missouri Extension, let us know. Drop us some comments below in the comment section. And if you want to see recipes like this and more, check out extension.missouri.edu and check out the Youth and Family section and Google Seasonal and Simple from Missouri. Until then, we'll see you later. Enjoy!